hang on. I gotta have my knife switch on in order to toot my horn. So I'm just gonna leave that on. I may have to run the engine to recharge. So I just gave 2 toots acknowledging forward movement. Somebody with their annoying stereo rattling their license plate off their car. And here we are, we're underway. And the AMR is not the one powering. Here, let's give you a shot out the side here. I think he killed it. I may have to help with the AMR getting across here. I'm going to hang up and